Hello and welcome to another wonderful video on Yusuf Onabekun's channel today. And if you have missed out on any of my previous video, you can go and check it out where I've talked about various businesses you can start online within the next 24 hours. And today, to continue that journey, we'll be talking about another powerful business you can start now using a very good resource and guide by one of the best in the field. What niche am I talking about? I'm talking about cryptocurrency, how to trade and make money via crypto. Now, the interesting thing about this course is that it is readily accessible and it contains over 40 solid videos that I take you from a newbie to a beginner straight up. And the wonderful thing is the course is done by Chris Annie, and this is the name of the course: Trade and Make Money Online Masterclass, whereby it is an easy to understand which is also intensive course that helps you with the strategies needed to make good money from the crypto market, which is currently worth 2 trillion naira. What's the crypto market worth? You can easily just check the word by going to CoinMarketCap, and the overall current crypto worth currently now is this is what it worth. This is this is 1 trillion currently, if I'm not wrong. As you can see, as total cryptocurrency market cap. So you can easily just come here to see that, to see what it's worth by yourself. So no one is telling you what it's not. This is it. You can see the last 24 hours I've seen extra 64 billion climbed on it. So how can you key into this wonderful business and also make good money? I started in cryptocurrency here during the pandemic, to be precise. That was when I get into cryptocurrency, and up to today I still have my leg in one of the best projects that I've been part of since 2021, and I gain knowledge over time, and this is one of the best courses that helped me to get a very good standing. Even my brother also used this course to be able to foot his wonderful wedding to his love of his life. So why am I saying this? This is something whereby you can easily see how it is happening, and you feel like, oh, let me get on board. Now, there are so many courses out there that will tell you that come and watch them, come and buy them, come and get them. But I can tell you categorically that this is one of the best courses to get started. You don't want to get started with a course whereby when you now get into it, there's virtually nothing. And when you get into it, they tell you again that, and you know what, this is just intro. The next one is coming up next month. No, you want this course that is already solidified in the making for you. And this is legitimately, you don't need to be hiding what you are doing or something. No, I know of a friend that his cousin has been into cryptocurrency, into crypto business for the past 5 years, and the person hardly even says anything. That's how real and genuine this course is. And what will you learn inside this course? How to analyze the markets with different techniques, the best fundamental analysis approach to different assets, the psychology and the best mindsets on trading, how to identify how to do technical analysis very well, and so much option, which is there are over 40 videos in it. If they are over, and many, what you will be learning will be from start to finish. As you can see, at the end of your study with us, you'll be a pro making consistent gains in crypto, and that's just the basic fact, because I've learned a lot from this. And what are the things that you gain aside just the course? A private asset signal group, a private exchange whereby you can always interact with like minds, and also a very good traders chat room that you can use as well. So this alone, as you can see, over 3,000 students have currently benefited from this course. I don't know why you're still sitting on the table. And this is someone, he said, the ratio between my earnings as a medical doctor and as a crypto trader is massive. If I earn 1 naira as medical doctor working for them, I make 7 naira. That's like 6 naira difference, which is massive. for a medical doctor, as we know how much most of our industries here in Nigeria have not been given credit to. Now this is someone that is using crypto to augment his medical doctor practice. Now this is another person that used crypto to make his 1 million, his first million in this country, in his first million using crypto. Now these are the various people that have used it. And so why should you take this course? Now you know how inflation is eating into naira. Like now it's even worse compared to when this course first came out, like two years ago. Now this this is the best way to store your currency, because you can always increase your currency into a valuable one, and also you can make extra income with it as well. And why do you fall into any of this category? Now these are the people that are going to be teaching you. Chrisani himself and his partner Nolan Amadi, who they are both seasoned trader in this thing, and they are not just people that will just create some sort of group and just dump it on. You will meet like minds, people that are currently doing it, people that have done it and even move on to create their own signals, or they've done their own courses and the likes. So those are the kind of people you will be interacting with. Now you don't want to have to sit down on the fence for this. You want to get the right knowledge and the guidance, and who is the best way, or what is the best course to do. I will tell you that this is the best course that you can get to get started in crypto as of today, to help you move. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.